Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I am on the promenade. Now why, you may ask yourself? Well, just over here they have started the demolition of St Chads Hotel here on the front, so we're going to be having a look at that. Before we do, let's go have a little look over there, because the sea is looking awesome today. There's a bit of roughness going on, and let's just go have a quick look at what the water's doing, shall we? Look at this. It's a bit rougher out here today than it has been just recently. If we have a look over here, you can also see today is slightly misty. Because look, someone's stolen half of the tower. So yeah, we are on Tuesday, the 9th of May 2023, and the one thing we've all been waiting for now for a little while is the demolition of St Chads Hotel to start, and it started. Look over there. Well, they started actually removing some of the porches at the front on Friday, but of course, being a bank holiday weekend, not much else happened since. So we're going to go over there and have a nosy, see what we can see. So yeah, this is quite a big job here on Blackpool Promenade. This will take more than just a few days to take down. Of course, this terrace, St Chads Terrace, was actually built in 1891, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, which makes it older than Blackpool Tower. Blackpool Tower was finished in 1894, so quite a historic building, but not sadly of any notable anything, because it's not listed or anything like that. Let's go in there, look at that. It's taking all these front porches down at the moment. Again, you've got all your skips lined up down here, all ready for all the recycling things. You've got your wood and your metals and your stonework, probably your wire, etc, etc. So in any demolition these days, a lot of stuff is now recycled, which is absolutely brilliant to see. So let's get you some closer angles, shall we? So yeah, this is just at the side. And this, of course, was the chippy. There was a decent chippy here at one point. There you go, look. But it's all going. So what we'll do, we'll walk around the back of the building first, and come out and then we'll go back around the front, and I'll show you what's going on with the machinery and the demolition. But we'll just start around the sides and the back first. Little toilet there. So just heading around the back of the building now onto this street here, which is actually called Bolton Street. And as I've said before, this is a large building. It's not going to come down within a couple of days. So yeah, I've got the Lindeen just over here, which is owned by the same company. Now, I was actually mistaken the other day, because I said it was a Korean company, the fragrance group. They're actually from Singapore. So yeah, that was my error there. So yeah, it's these front porches here that are coming down first. There you go. That is not going to be there all that much longer. We can even see a bit of the wallpaper that was in the foyer just over there. It's not exactly the easiest place to get a view because of all the recycling containers, but as always we will do our absolute best to show you things that are going on. Quick look from this angle. I say it's quite tricky because of all these containers, but we'll do what we can for you. I'm sure it'll get easier when they start on the main structure of the building, because like I say, at the moment it seems to be just the porches and the foyers that are coming down, but we will get better views for you over the next few days, I'm sure of it. So yeah, as you can see, all the front porch areas on St Chads are being removed. There's just that corner over there to go as far as the porch is. And then I would imagine once that's cleared up a bit, they will start on the main body of the building. So that'll be interesting to see. We'll keep a close eye on this one. Right, guys and girls, everything's gone really quiet here at St Chads at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to finish this video here and carry on tomorrow. And I think tomorrow I'm going to bring the big camera down so that I can stand high up over here and film and get close in with zoom, which will give me a lot more advantage to be able to see things. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to get up to tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap this one up here and say thank you for joining me. Just a short update, and until the next one, I will love you and leave you, and I will catch you all later. Bye.